What's good, YouTube? Brett here from Grandpa's Treasure Shop, back at it again with another video. In the last one, we covered how shipping works. Today, we're going to simply cover how you are gonna make sales. I'm not gonna step-by-step walk you through this because it's really not that hard, if I'm being honest. And I'm gonna tell you a good starting point. Literally, look at this. Do you see on the screen right here, post 36 shoppable videos that are 15 plus seconds, earn $350 in vouchers. Do you know what that means? What that means is TikTok is literally giving you money out of their own pockets for you completing a mission that is going to discount your next X amount of customers, whatever that mission entails, right? And there is an expiration, and $350 is a lot. But if you have a customer, this is going to encourage, right? It's going to encourage upselling, right? So, this might see from the customer's perspective, like, oh, when I land on this product, if I buy two, I can get like either free shipping or I can get like $10 off if I spend more than 20. You know what I mean? Like that is so valuable. And literally, I'm going to tell you my exact system of how I operate 3 different TikTok shops on the seller side. And I even have started incorporating this strategy into my affiliate accounts on TikTok shop as well, because I do both. And if you are new to the channel, please make sure you like, subscribe if you like the content. I'm going to be dropping a lot of sauce on how to do these kind of operations. I've been on TikTok shop on the seller side since 2024, and I've done, just on this shop alone last year, I did over 100K in revenue. Might not seem like a lot, but it is when your profit margin is extremely high. My profit margin is crazy, and that's just one of these shops. It cost me, like, I would say about 11 cents to produce a single credit card sticker, and that's one of my products that I sell. When you incorporate packaging, it's well under $1 with everything. And if I'm selling a credit card sticker for, let's say, a non-hollow, a standard one is $5, and I'm selling a hollow for $7.99 or $10, depending on the design, that profit margin is insane. But guess what? People ain't just out here making credit card stickers, and we've went through so many trials and errors, me and my wife, with finding the perfect materials for this particular type of product. Knowing my trials and errors, some average Joe is not just gonna be able to just make a credit card sticker on their own, It's almost like worth them paying $5 if they want one. Case in point, we're gonna cover how to get sales. First and foremost, we're gonna look, just so you know I'm not capped, last 28 days alone, I've done almost 10K in GMV, which is a lot, especially when considering my profit margin is extremely high. But literally, all you have to do, in the strategy that I do to generate sales, at the end of each month, I go through my analytics right here in this tab, and I look at my top 10 best-selling products from the month before, and guess what I do? I gather those products, and I will then begin making reels for it. Let's say there's 30 days in the month that's coming up. I will do 30 videos. Let's just say my bestseller, I might break it down. And you can do this accordingly to how you want to do it. Take my top 10 best-selling products from the current month for the next month, and then I make reels. I film a bunch of reels and save them to my drafts in my TikTok app on my phone. And then guess what I do? I go through, add all my captions. You don't want to do them one at a time, like the whole process. Trust me, it's faster this way. Go through each and every one, do your caption, save to draft. Go to the next one, do your caption, save to draft. Next one, caption, save to draft. And then the next step of the process, your descriptions. I have a general description since I'm selling a lot of the same kind of products. A general description that's good for SEO. That's important. I recommend using ChatGPT, but then also that has highly optimal hashtags for SEO. And if you want to know a good prompt for ChatGPT, this is what I do. I say, can you generate me a description for, and I say the product, and then I'll say that is highly optimized for TikTok's SEO. But then I might even further tell it, right? I'll say the goal, you want to tell it the goal. The goal is to encourage sales and push sales with this short form video. So please create me a description with 5 hashtags that are highly optimized for TikTok's SEO for this product. Boom. ChatGPT is amazing. You can even take a picture of the product and send it or screenshot it. And yeah, you'll get some really amazing descriptions. But me, I was trying to think smarter, not harder, because I just save it in my notepad once I generate a generalized description. Some people might ask before you even comment, you might say, well, don't TikTok, won't they ding you for that or get a violation if you keep reusing the same description? I mean, yes and no. If I'm being honest, there's been like almost like a 6-month period where I used the same damn description for every single short form video on this shop, and nothing ever happened like that. Maybe affiliate side gets more violations than the seller side, I don't know. But I will say one thing, if you just simply schedule one short form content a day, shoppable content by the way, for your 10 best sellers from the month before, the rest is history. Trust me, this is literally the same thing that I do across all my shops. One video a day, that is like a requirement with my businesses. Why? It's the Gary Vee mentality. If you know who Gary Vee is, he literally said something that changed my life, and maybe it'll change your life. He said, you really can do anything you want in this world. It's up to you. People might ask, how? Pick something that you thoroughly enjoy in life, that you are passionate about. It could literally be anything. Freaking pick anything. And then that one thing that you commit to, that you decide to pick, it's like a freaking marriage. You are marrying whatever you chose. Then once you have your selection, your decision, what you want to start selling or promoting or whatever, start making content on it. He is so right. Literally, doing this principle has got me this far. Retired from my bank job. I loved being a personal banker, having my own office, helping clients in the bank. I was passionate about that, but I'm more passionate about this. And this took over because of what I just told you. Scheduling one video a day ensures, number one, consistency. Number two, you're not spamming, like some TikTok shop affiliates do, posting like 50 videos a day, bottom of funnel or whatever. No, you're literally staying consistent. You're making TikTok happy. And then if they have like seller missions, sure, I might binge post a bunch of reels because only so many people can get those missions. And once those vouchers are gone, they're gone. So yeah, I really hope you got a lot of value out of this. This is how you make sales consistently. And if you're new to it, take any of your products. If you have 10 products on your shop, even if you don't have 10 products, there's a way you could post the same damn product every day for a month. You really could. I don't always encourage it. I guess it depends on what you're doing, but like literally, I'm telling you, just pick anything in life that you can sell. One video a month and you will do well. You need a way to manufacture your products if you want to, do it this way. I mean, you can drop ship, but I don't encourage drop shipping because TikTok is not very, friendly with drop shipping. They make it very hard for you. Let me just put it in simple terms. And I like to think smarter, not harder. But yeah, that really does it for how to generate sales. Literally, TikTok has the schedule feature. Just film 30, 31 videos for the next month. The end of the month, before you enter the next month, schedule all those damn videos out. It's so freaking easy. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you subscribe for more. I'm going to be dropping content like this very frequently. So until next time, peace.